3:17 a.m. Empty commuter train pulls into rural station. Blood on the floor. Conductor dead, stabbed clean through the heart. No weapon. 3 passengers around flickering emergency light. Ticket collector raises hand. I checked everyone. Her silver railway pin glints. Delivery driver shrugs. Slept through it all. Waffle sneakers muddy. Office worker clutches black handbag. Just reading. Flat spotless. 3 clues in shadows. Blood trail. Heel marks 3 centimeters wide. Plus waffle boot treads. Letter opener 5 centimeters blade. Stamped railway office property. Conductor's fist holds torn ticket stub. Ink reads L. Who stabbed the conductor? Comment your guess.